Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Blue Collar Cruising. Real quick video here. I just saw a post on Facebook for the Vista. Okay, this is the Galveston Facebook group or something like that. Anyway, a current passenger on the Carnival Vista has just posted that they are canceling Grand Cayman due to engine issues, but they're extending their stay in Jamaica. Okay, I thought I'd tell you guys about that because we were kind of anticipating, because the previous week, not this past week, but the previous week, they had some issues going out that way. And I do believe that is a longer cruise, but don't hold me to it. As far as miles wise go, as nautical miles, or whatever they call it out there on the sea. But that's the thing, guys. They are still having issues. Fingers crossed. I know that Grand Cayman is one of those places that everybody loves to go to, especially now. So fingers crossed that something gets fixed. But I was really hoping that they had these issues fixed, but unfortunately, they're still having problems. So we'll keep you posted when I see stuff on Facebook on the Carnival Vista, and we'll holler at you guys later. 73.